Hi, so today we're going to talk about Africote Fresco. This is a liquid plaster system and it comes in a 20 litre or 5 litre bucket. It's available in a whole range of colours. You choose the colour you like, we can tint it for you. We do recommend, however, earthy colours like these because it dries to a marbled finish. And with a marbled finish you want to look at browns and beiges. And in addition to that, we can offer you the product can be applied in a smooth finish or in a textured finish, and we're going to show you today in this video how to do both the textured finish, which is a single coat system, and the smooth coat system. So the smooth coat system the end result will look like that, and that's a 3-layered system. It's a very smooth finish. So with the texture system we have the option of introducing the gold wall wax, and alternatively we can do the silver wall wax. Both these products are from Africote. And then finally, on the smooth finish, the Fresco smooth finish, you can use the clear wax product. So some of the tools that you'd require, so this you can acquire from Africote or from your hardware store as a Plaster hawk, a trowel, a putty knife, that's to scrape, to take the product, the Fresco product from the bucket onto the hawk, and then we use the trowel to apply the liquid plaster onto the wall. You'd also need just a brush, that's just to prepare the surface, any new broom from home or a block brush like this, just to prepare the surfaces and keep it nice and clean to ensure that there's no dust when you're applying the plaster. Also, you would need masking tape and drop sheets. And mutton cloths. So mutton cloths used just to buff the wax and make sure it comes out nice and shiny. For the smooth finishes, we do need different types of sandpaper. This Africote also supplies you with. We need a grit 100, very coarse sandpaper that's done in stage 1, which we'll show you for the smooth application. And after that, we're going to be needing a slightly finer grit, which is a 220 grit. And then the final coating is sanded with a grit 1000 grits, so very, very fine sandpaper to give you a very polished, smooth finish. Fantastic.